This is a short guide on how to get to Crista de Gallo, one of the top tourist spots in Romblon province. Crista de Gallo is an hour away from Sibuyan Island, and the jump-off point is at San Fernando town. You can take a tricycle from there to Azagra Pier, and then you can contact Mr. Boy Pasik at this number listed here, and he can bring you to Crista de Gallo for 3,000 pesos round trip. From Manila, you can take an Air Swift flight to Tablas in Romblon, and then from there you can take a van to San Agustin and ferry to Ambulong Port in Magdiwang on Sibuyan Island. From there you can take a van for 300 pesos to San Fernando town. From Batangas, take a Starlight Ferries to Ambulong Port in Magdiwang on Sibuyan Island, and the trips are daily at 4 p.m. From Lucena, you can take Star Horse Shipping to Ambulong Port in Magdiwang. The trips also are daily at 4 p.m. From Rojas City, you can go to Kulasi Port and take a ferry from there to Sibuyan Island. And then once you arrive in Magdiwang, you can take a van to San Fernando. From Cebu City, you can take a flight to Iloilo City and then go to Tagbak Bus Terminal, take a bus to Rojas City, and ferry to Sibuyan Island and then van to the town of San Fernando. From Katiklan, you can take a ferry to Ojongan and then van to San Agustin and ferry to Sibuyan Island, or you can also take a bus to Rojas City and take a ferry from there. From Iloilo, you can take a bus to Rojas City and then ferry to Sibuyan Island and van to San Fernando. From Davao City, fly to Iloilo City and then go to Tagbak Terminal and take a bus to Rojas City and ferry to Sibuyan Island and then van to San Fernando. So, ganun lang ka-easy talaga yung guys, yung way to go to Crista de Gallo, pero medyo tricky siya kasi walang direct talaga na ferry going to the town of San Fernando. So, palipat-lipat ka talaga. But, maganda talaga siya puntahan. So, worth it naman siya, guys.